You want to talk to Martina about boarding?
Yes.
Do you like boarding?
Do you like boarding?
Yes.
Where are you going?
Yes.
Boarding, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, give the small one to Kathy. Where's Kathy? Yeah. Kathy! This is a small one. This is for Michelle. Okay? Kathy!
Michelle.
Right there. Pencils. Soap. Soap, right here. There you go. Can you say hi to Martina?
Hi, Martina.
Look at all, you got sheets, lots of books, cool stuff. They gave George is so you gave it to Joanne's grandmother, remember? Joanne's grandmother. Yeah. Joanne's grandmother. Michelle. Then give him one for George for school. Oh, Jovia wants one. Is there any more of those in the car?
So I had to give them to the one who told Mari,